With the K7, if you're experiencing some water coming between the handle and the faucet body, dripping down onto your countertop, this could be the cartridge, and we would suggest replacing the cartridge. So to start with, you would turn your water off underneath the sink at your stops and remove this little gray rubber insert on the bottom of the handle. With a 3mm Allen, there's a set screw up there. Do not have to remove, you can just loosen it. And the handle will pop off. Then we have this decorative ring. I usually just use a screwdriver. It's a friction fit and it pops right off. The next step is to remove the cartridge nut. It's a 32mm socket. And at that point, cartridge will pull straight out. Okay, this is a 46374 cartridge. To replace it, you can see on the bottom there are two little feet. You line those up on the inside of the faucet body. The cartridge only goes in one way. The sleeve. And then your cartridge nut. And with your 32mm socket, tighten it up, and your cartridge cap will just push on. It's held on with an O-ring seal. And then your handle of your cartridge, push on, and with your 3mm, and then your little gray rubber insert, and just push into the